Hello viewers, welcome to this session. I am going to talk about a very important essay titled On Habits by A.G. Gardiner. A.G. Gardiner, whose full name is Alfred George Gardiner, popularly known as A.G. Gardiner, was a great essayist, journalist, editor, and thinker of England. This great essayist was born at Chelmsford, Essex, England on 2nd January 1865, and he died on 3 March 1946 in England. He was a son of Henry James Gardiner, who was a cabinet maker and alcoholic. A.G. Gardiner wrote many essays. His essays are collected under Alpha of the Plough. Alpha of the Plough contains a number of beautiful essays of A.G. Gardiner. A.G. Gardiner's personal essays are very educative, instructive, and inspirational. He wrote many such essays such as On Habits, all about a dog, on saying please, and so on. Today I am going to talk about On Habits of A.G. Gardiner. On Habits by A.G. Gardiner deals with the importance of habits in life. According to A.G. Gardiner, every individual must have some habits. These habits help perform their works and daily course on time. If people develop habits, they will have enough time to perform their daily activities, to perform their daily duties. If they do not have such habits, they will face difficulties. They will be late in going to their office. They will be late in writing something. They will be late in preparing themselves for a job. So A.G. Gardiner emphasizes that every man or woman must develop habits, and they should adhere to their habits. The writer talks about his own habit. Due to his habit, he has comfort and pleasure in doing his work. But sometimes A.G. Gardiner gave up his habits, and giving up of his habits landed him into trouble. A.G. Gardiner observed that he did not have pain on the pen or pencil on the fixed table sometimes. When he did not have the pen or pencil at the fixed time, he was late in writing, or he had anxiety, he had problems in writing anything. So the writer felt in his life that formation of habits make life comfortable and easier. Another example that the writer refers to from his life is the habit of hanging his coat on different pegs. The writer oftenly forgot which peg he hung his coat on, and when he was to go to his office, when he was to go out, he was always in difficulty. He could not find his coat on the peg that he usually hung his coat on. So, based on the observations of his life, his personal life, A.G. Gardiner says that people must have habits. They must inculcate habits, and inculcating of good habits saves a lot of time. It keeps a man happy and cheerful. Then the writer says that a man should control habits. They should have control over habits. Habits should not control them. If they have control over their habits, their life will be happier. They will do their work on time. But if habits control them, they will be in difficulty. They will land themselves into difficulty. So, a man should have habit, and sometimes they should also break their habits. The writer also refers to example of a boy named Ascot. Ascot is always anxious and jealous because his classmates outshine him. They perform better in their classes because they have developed good habits. Because of their good habits, they get better marks, they get better grades in their school. But Ascot gets fewer marks or less marks than his classmates. So, he becomes jealous and anxious. In this way, the writer talks about different aspects of habits in this popular essay on habits. Again, the writer says that people should not people should adjust themselves to circumstances. They should have the capacity to adjust themselves according to the needs of the time, according to the situations. If they do not change the habits, if they do not adjust themselves according to the circumstances, they will have difficulties, they will have troubles in their life. In this way, we find that A.G. Gardiner talks about different aspects of habits in this essay. This essay is very instructive, very educative, very inspirational. This essay tells us that formation of habit, making of habit, make our life happier and more cheerful. Thanks a lot.